Next exercise 14c. We want to integrate 1 to 3 y dx and we want to write in this form. So integrate 1 to 3 y mean 3x half minus 4x minus half dx. So this is 3x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus 4x half over half 1 to 3. So this is 2x 3 over 2 minus 8x half 1 to 3. So this is 2 3 over 2 minus 8 3 half minus 2 1 3 over 2 minus 8 1 half. So this is going to be 2 times 3 square root 3 minus 8 square root 3 minus 2 plus 8. This is 6. 6 minus 8 minus 2 square root 3. This is plus 6. So the answer is going to be 6 minus 2 square root 3. So this is equal to a plus b square root 3. So a equals 6 and b equal minus 2. Now this one 3 over 2. You can write 3 times 3 half, which is 27. That is going to be 9 times 3. So 3 square root 3. Y equal this one. We want to find dy over dx. Then question number 15 part A. So 12 as it is. This is x minus half. Okay. Half x minus half. This is not integration. And 3 over 2 x minus half. So dy over dx equal, this is 6 x minus half over 3 over 2 x minus half. Actually this is plus half. 1.5 when you take out 1, this is plus half. So we want to show this one. Dy over dx equal 6 over x half 3 over 2 x half. Now I need to take this x half out. So I can take this x half out, but there is no any x half to take out. So I will write 6 x half minus 3 over 2. This is x half is there. Then I will introduce and then to denominator and numerator. So you can think about like this as well. So this is same as this one. Multiply by 1. How can you write 1? 1 is 5 divided by 5. Or a divided by a. Or x half divided by x half. So anything. So I'm going to use, this is going to be x half over x half, because I want to make x half in the denominator. So then I can take x half out. This is going to be 6 3 over 2. This is already out, and x half times x half becomes x. So this x half, when I bring up x minus half, 6 3 over 2 3 over 2 x. Now the answer is this one, 3 over 2 x minus half 4 minus x. Now I have to take 3 out. Yes, I can. There is no issue. I can take 3 out. So I will write here. So x minus half times 3. Then this is become 2 minus half a x. Then when I take 2 out, then again 3x minus half. I want to take half out. There is no half. Then 2 times 1 minus half a x. This half can I write uh, 2 over 2. Now I have a 2 over 2 is 1. I didn't change the sum. So then I have a denominator in. So then 3 over 2 x minus half. This is going to be 4 and this is minus x. Now this is the curve at this is 0 and 12. At B point, uh, at the point of B on the curve, the tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. Tangent to the curve is parallel to the x-axis. It means what is it's implied? It means what is dy by dx? Gradient of this curve is 0. That's the meaning of parallel to x-axis. So then at point B, dy over dx equals 0. Then what is dy over dx? 3 over 2x minus half times 4 minus x equals 0. Now this is 1 over x times 4 minus x equals 0. X minus half means 1 over, I'll write square root x. Then 1 over square root x 0 or 4 minus x equals 0. And this is x equal 4. And to become this answer 0, x has to be infinity. X goes to infinity. Then only this answer becomes 0. But since x in between 0 and 12, so we will reject this answer. Only possibility is x equal 4. Then this value is 4. X value is 4. Then when we substitute here, we can find the y value. Y equal 12, 4 half minus 4, 3 over 2. This is 12 times 2. Square root 4 is 2. This is square root 4, 2 to the power 3, 8. So 24 minus 8, that is going to be 16. Now we want to find this R area. So we have to integrate this one from 0 to 12. There are two curves. One is this is y1, let's say, and this curve is y2. What is this y2? Is y2 equals 0. X-axis. X-axis means y equals 0 line. Usually we don't write. So we'll avoid this one. So 0 to r equals 0 to 12. 12x half minus x 3 over 2 dx. So this is 12x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus x 5 over 2 over 5 over 2, 0 to 12. Now this is going to be 4 over 3 x 3 over 2 and 2 over 5 x 5 over 2, 0 to 12. So this is going to be 4 over 3 x means 12, 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5, 12, 5 over 2. This actually, I made a mistake here. This has to be 12 over 3 over 2. So this is going to be 24 over 3 is 8. Or 12 over 3 over 2. 3, 1. This is 4. This 4 become 4 times 2, 8. So this is 8. So this value is 8. And 12, 3 over 2. This is, I can write as 12, 12 cube half, which is 12 cube square root. It means 12 times 12 times 12 square root. It means 4 times 3, 4 times 3, and 4 times 3 square root. So this is become 4 square root, 3 square root, 4 square root, 3 square root, 3 square root. So 2 square root 3, 2 square root 3, 2 square root 3. So 2 times 2, this is going to be 8. Square root 3 times 3, 3. And then another square root 3. So 24 square root 3. So 8 times 24 square root 3. And here 12 to the power, this is 3. And another 2 when it's come to here. It means 4 times 3, 4 times 3. So this is going to be 2 square root 3, 2 square root 3. Then how many 2's there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's wrong. It has to be 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 2 to the power of 5 multiply by, this is 3 and this is 3 and this is 1 remaining square root 3. So 32 times 9 square root 3. So 32 times 9 square root 3 and 2 over 5. So you'll get an answer approximately 130. So you can multiply and then simplify now. Next exercise 16. First of all, this is y equal to L line. This is T and M. So we need to find the coordinate of those 2 points. Then we have to solve those 2 equations. So that is the first thing. So y equal x times 8 minus x, which is 8x minus x square, and y equal 12. So we'll solve simultaneously. 12 equal 8x minus x square. So then x square minus 8x plus 12 equal 0. So this is going to be x minus 6, x minus 2 equals 0, x equals 6, and x equal 2. So this is 2. This is 2 value and this is 6 value. So we need to find the coordinate of m. So in this point now, yes, y value is 12 here because y is 12. Now we want to find this shaded region. Let's say R. We can find R. R is, this is 6, and to calculate this one I need to know this point. At this point y equals 0. So then before that, so I'll find from here, let y equal 0, then x times 8 minus x equals 0 on this equation when y equals 0. So x equals 0, x equals 8. So this is 1 and this is the other one. Now I have to integrate this curve to find our area 6 to 8. So you know how to integrate this kind of equation. But now in this case, what is happening? This is up to here. The right boundary is here. There is no right boundary, so now we'll work out 6 to 8 y dx. So I'll take this is y1 dx. So r equals 6 to 8. y1 is this one, 8x minus x square dx. It means 8x square over 2 minus x cube over 3, 6 to 8. It means 4x square, 8 divided by 4, and x cube over 3, 6 to 8. 4x square minus 8 cube over 3 minus 4 6x square 6 cube over 3. 4 times 64 minus 512 over 3 minus 4 times 36 plus 6 times 6 times 6 divided by 3. So this is 2, this is 36 plus 72. So you should get the answer 13 1 over 30. Question number 17. This is C. We need to find the intersection point. The first part. Then we know we have to solve these two equations to find the point. So y equal x minus 1. Other one is y equal x minus 1 times x minus 5. I will solve this equation differently. This is y equal x minus 1. At this point, y equals 0 because it crosses the axis, y-axis, x-axis. Then this is going to be x equal, y equal I put in here. So then x minus 1 equals 0, x equal 1. So this is 1, 0 point. Now, I am going to solve these two simultaneously. Now, this is y equal x minus is what again? Y. Y times x minus y. So y to y cancel out. So x minus 5 equals 0 and x equal 5. Sorry, this is not x equal 5. This 1 equal x minus 5. So this is going to be 1 equal x minus 5, x equal 6. Y equal y times x minus 5. So when we divide both sides by y, so y divide cancel out 1. This is x minus 5. So x equal 6. So x equals 6. Now we need to find the y value. So then y equal 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is going to be 5. When x equals 6, y equal x minus 5. Y equals 6 minus 1 is 5. So C is 6, 5. If it is confusion, you can work simultaneously like this. So this is x minus this one equal x minus 1 times x minus 5. So then bring to this side x minus 1 minus x minus 1 times x minus 5 equals 0. X minus 1 is common. 1 minus x plus 5 equals 0. X minus 1 6 minus x equals 0. X equal 1, no, x equal 6. You can work out like that. Now we want to find this area. It means that area means this is triangle. So we want to get the triangle, find the triangle, and then we want to take this area out. Then we will get this part. This is R. So first of all, find the triangle. So this is 6 and this is 1. Perpendicular height 5. So this is 1 and this is 6. Hence this distance is 5. This coordinate is 5 and this height is 5. So area of triangle is half a base times height. So half a base is going to be 5 and height also going to be 5. So 25 over 2 square units. And now we'll integrate the curve from this point B to 6. Now I need to know the point B. So point B, at point B y equals 0. So y times x minus 1, x minus 5 at point E and B, y equals 0. Hence x minus 1 times x minus y equals 0. X equal 1, no, x equal 5. So this point is 5. Now 5 to 6 I need to integrate this curve. So 5 to 6 I will take this is R1 area. So R1 equal 5 to 6. This is R2. So I'll change. This is R1 and this is R2. So R2 is 5 to 6. This curve x minus 1 times x minus 5. So this is going to be x square minus 6x plus 5 curve. X square minus 6x plus 5 curve dx. So this is going to be x cube over 3 minus 6x square over 2 plus 5x from 5 to 6. So this is going to be 6 cube over 3 minus 6 times 6 square over 2 plus 5, 6 minus 5 to the power cube over 3 minus 6, 5 square over 2 plus 5 times uh, 5. So this is 6 cube is going to be, okay, this is going to be 72 and 108, 30 minus 5 to the power cube subjective, 125 over 3. This is 75 plus 25. 72 minus 108 plus 30 minus 125 over 3 plus 75 minus 25. This is 7 over 3. And now R is um, R1 minus R2. R1 is 25 over 2 triangle, and this is 7 over 3. So this is going to be 75 minus 14 over 6, and 61 over 6, 10, 1 over 6. Next exercise, question number 18. This is a quadratic equation, and a is x equal 4, and there's a equation near y equal qx plus 25. Now, with the observation, we can see that p and q2 unknown. It means we need two equation to solve two unknowns. And data is given x equal 4 and x equal 8. So it is we sense now that okay, to find these the qp and q, we have to use the given data x equal 4 and x equal 8. Now we can see that E point is common for both. So this is intersection point, the curve and a line intersection point. In other way, we can define we have a common point for both line and curve. So I will take this is x equal 4, that is the given line. We will take y1 or ya. Y1 is easy, and then this is x equal 8, and the y value is y2. Now we'll consider a point. I will give the argument since 4y1 point on AB line AB line, or we will say that y equal qx square plus 25. Then this point should satisfy these equations. I can write y equal y1. This is q 4 square plus 25. So 16q plus 25. Now we'll write since 8y2 point on y equal qx square plus 25. We'll write the same point. Since 4y1 point on y equal p plus 10x minus x square, then this should satisfy. So I can write y1. y1 here now. P plus 10 times 4 minus 4 square. So y1 equal p plus 40 minus 16, which is p plus 26. Now y1 equal this one. Now y1 equals 16q plus 25 and y2 equal p plus 26. This is a line, not x square actually. So then this is going to be 4. This is 4q. In that case, this is 4q. So 4q. Now y1 equal this one, y2 equal this one. Hence conclusion is what? 4q plus 25 equal 3 plus 26. Okay, 4q minus p equal 1. Now, same as. Now by looking at, I am going to write this equation. 8, I'll substitute here. So this is x. That is going to be 8q plus 25 here. And then I will substitute 8 here. Here mean this equation because this point also in this line. Hence p plus 10 times 8 minus 8 square. 8q plus 25 equal p plus 80 minus 64. So this is going to be 16. 8q plus 25 is p plus 16. So then 8q minus p equal 16 minus 25, which is 9. Minus 9. So 8q minus p equal minus 9. And we have another equation, 4q minus p equal 1. It is 1 or minus 1. 40 minus 16 is not 26, it is 24. So this is going to be minus 1. So this is going to be minus 1. And this is minus 9. So when we minus those two, 8q minus 4q become 4q. This is cancelled out. Minus 9 minus minus 8. This is going to be minus 8. So q equal minus 2. When q equal minus 2, from let's say from this one, from 1, 4q minus p equal 1, 4q minus 1 equal minus 1, 4q plus 1 equal p. So this is 4 minus 2 plus 1 p. So this is minus 8 plus 1 equal p. P equal minus 7. We have q equal minus 2 and p equal minus 7. Part B. Now we have to calculate the C point. So this C point is parallel to AC, is parallel to the x-axis. Then if this height is equal to this height, if I know this height, I know this value x equal 4, and I'll substitute to find y. When x equal 4, y equal, I use this one, minus 2 times 4 plus 25, y equal minus 8 plus 25, this is going to be 17. So This height is 17. So this is 4 and 17, and this is 8 and 17. So yes, then this is going to be 8 and 17 because same height. So C is 8, 17. I think I miss. This is the 8 point. This we don't know this point, but we don't know this height is 17. Now we want to find the x value. So we can find x value uh, by applying in this equation. Uh, at C, y equal 17. Then 17 equal minus 7 plus 10x minus x square. So I'll bring everything here. X square minus 10x plus 17 plus 7 equals 0. X square minus 10x plus 25 equal 0. So x minus 6, x minus 4 equals 0, x equals 6, so x equals 4. So this is 4, we already know. Then this point is going to be 6. Then we need to find this R region. We have to integrate 4 to 6 again this curve. So we have to integrate 4 to 6 R equal minus 7 plus 10x minus x square dx. Then this is minus 7x 10x square over 2 minus x cube over 3 4 to 6. So the minus 7x, this is 10 divided by 2, 5x square minus x cube over 3, 4 to 6, which is minus 7 times 6, 5, 6 square minus 6 cube over 3 minus 7, 4, 5 plus 5, 4 square minus 4 cube over 3. So this is going to be 42. This is 36 times 5, 180. And this is going to be 108. We had this one earlier. And this one is going to be 28, 80, and 64 over 3. Minus 0.22, 180, 180 minus 28, minus 80 plus 64 over 3. Actually, so I'll take R1 this area. We can find R. We have to find whole area. That is R1 I am finding now. And then we have to remove the rectangular. Then we will get this area. This is 72. 28, I'm double checking again. Yes. This is negative, negative. This is going to be positive. This is 14 minus 64 over 3. This is going to be plus 64 over 3, 106 over 3, and the rectangular, let's say that is R2. So this distance is 6 minus 4, which is 2, and this height is 17. So area of rectangular, so this is going to be 34. Then R is R1 minus R2. 106 over 3 minus 34. So 106 over 3 over, so this is going to be 4 over 3, which is 1 over third. Question number 19. This is f dash x. So fx means when we integrate f dash x, we will get fx. So it means we want to integrate 9x minus 2 minus 8x plus 4x minus 5 dx. So this is 9x minus 1 over minus 1, because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 8x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2, 4x square over 2 minus 5x plus c. So this is 9 over x minus 16 over 3 x 3 over 2 plus 2x square minus 5x plus c. Question number 20. This is an equation. We need to simply solve this one. 3x minus half a 4 to 9 dx equal a square. So 3x half over half minus ax 4 to 9 equal a square. So this is going to be 6x half minus ax 9 to 4 equal a square. So this is going to be 6 x mean 9 half minus a 9 minus 6 4 half minus 4 a4 equal a square. So square root 9 is 3. 3 times 6 80 minus 9a minus 24 minus 4a equal a square. 18 minus 9a minus 24 plus 4a equal a square. So this is going to be 18 minus 24 minus 6 minus 9a plus 4a minus 5a equal a square. This is 4 square half. 4 half is 2. 6 times 2 is, this is going to be 12 minus, so this is minus 12. 18 minus 12 plus 6. And now a square plus 5a minus 6 equal 0. So a plus 6 and a minus 1 equal 0. A equal minus 6 or a equal 1. So there are two a's. Question number 21. If dash x is given 2 minus x square cube over x square, x not equal to 0. So f dash x will expand this one. So because we need to integrate this one to get the now first of all we need to simplify this. So I'll write this one as 2 plus minus x square over cube over x square. Now I am applying a binomial. So this is 1, 2 cube, then plus 3 times 2 square minus x square, then 3 times 2 minus x square plus minus x square cube. So this is over x square. So this is going to be 8, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 4 times 3 12 minus 12x square plus 32x4 minus x cube x6 over x square. So this is 8x minus 2. This is minus 12, 32x square minus x4. Now you can see A equal 32 and B equal minus 1. Now the next question is I need to find f double dash x. So I have to integrate again this one. F dash x is 8x minus 2 minus 12 32x square minus x4. So f double dash x equal 8x 8 minus 2x minus 3. This is going to be 0 and 32 2x minus 4x3. So this is going to be minus 16x minus 3 plus 64x minus 4x cubed. This is 3 times 2. 3 and 2. This is, I assume, as 32. 3 times 2 is 6. So this is 6x square. This a value is 6. So this is 6. This is 6 and this is going to be 12. Now I need to find fx curve. Fx in when we integrate f dash x with respect to x we will get. So what is f dash x is 8x minus 2 minus 12 plus 6x square minus x4 dx. Then this is going to be 8x minus minus 1 over minus 1 and minus 12x plus 6x cubed over 3 xy over 5 plus c. So this is going to be minus 8x minus 12 8 over x minus 12x 2x cubed xy over 5 plus c. So this is fx. Now we want to find c. So there's a data is given Uh, since curve is going through 2 minus 2 9, we can apply this one. Y value is 9 minus 8 times x is minus 2, 12 times minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cube minus 2 to the power over 5 plus c. So you will get a value for c. Um, so c equal minus 47 over 5. Hence the curve is fx equal minus 8 over x minus 12x 2x cube x5 over 5 minus 47 over 5. Mix exercise question number 22. Y equal 3 minus 5x minus 2x square. We need to find point A and B. So at A and B, y equals 0. Hence 3 minus 5x minus 2x square equals 0. 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. I multiply by minus everything. This is become negative. This is 12 and this is become 2 and I change the places. So this is going to be 2x minus 1 and x plus 3 equals 0. X equal half over x equal minus 3. So this is half a 0. This is going to be minus 3 0 point. Now we need to find this area, so we need to integrate r equal half to 3. Sorry, this is minus 3 and this is half. So this is going to be minus 3 to half and 3 minus 5x minus 2x square dx. You need to integrate. So r equal 3x minus 5x square over 2, 2x cube over 3. This is going to be minus 3 to half. So then we'll apply half first. 3 half minus 5 half a square over 2 minus 2 half a cube over 3 minus 3 minus 3 5 minus 3 square over 2 minus 2 minus 3 cube over 3. So this is 3 over 2. This is 5. 1 over 2. 1 over 4 divided by 2. 1 over 8. 5 over 8. Then this is 1 over 8 and this is 3 minus 2 over 1 over 12. Then this is going to be 3 times 3 9 minus, this is positive 9. This is going to be 27. 3 square 9 and 9 45 and this is going to be positive 45 over 2 and this is minus 27 and plus 42 minus 54 over 3. Minus times minus, it's going to be positive. And then you get answer as 14 7 over 24. Question number 23a. We need to find the coordinate of AB as usual at A and B. Y equals 0. So x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 equals 0. X equal 4 or x equal minus 3 over 2. And then we need to find this area. Then that R equal, you can remember that we integrate minus y because the y value is minus. Or if we want to take as a curve, right? So what is this? This is the area. What is this curve? This curve, let's say y1. So y1 equal 0 curve because this is x-axis and this is y2 curve. So then R mean integrate y1 dx minus this curve y2 dx. So then 0 minus y2 dx. So you can think about like that as well. So minus y2 dx. Or with the theory, we prove this one for positive y. Now the y's value is negative, the other side. So negative y dx. This is minus 3 over 2, 0, that is a, and this is 4 over 0. Now minus 3 over 2 to 4 minus y dx. It means minus 3 over 2 to 4. What is this one? X minus 4, 2x plus 3 dx. This is what is the expansion of this? 2x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. 2x square, 3x minus 8x minus 12. So that is going to be 2x square minus 5x minus 12. So this is going to be 2x square minus 5x minus 12 dx. So when we integrate this one, so this is minus value. Actually we learned that I can change the, with this y I can get rid of by swapping the limit, that is going to be 4 to minus 3 over 2 y dx. Now I'll take negative out and I change the boundaries, lower and upper, and when I get rid of minus, lower become upper become lower, lower become upper. So this is going to be 2x cube over 3 minus 5x square over 2 minus 12x 4 to minus 3 over 2. So this is going to be 2 over 3 and minus 3 over 2 cube, 5 minus 3 over 2 square over 2 minus 12 times minus 3 over 2 minus 4. 2, 4 cube over 3, 5, 4 square over 2 minus 12 times 4. So this is 55, 11 over 24. Question number 24. As usual, we need to find A and B. So at A and B, y equals 0, then x times x minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0, x equals 0, or x equals 3, or x equals minus 2. So this is minus 2, 0, this is 0, 0, and this is going to be 3, 0. Now we want to find the finite region. It means R1 plus R2. So R1 equal y dx. So we have to expand this one. Let's expand here. So x times, this is going to be x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6, x times x square minus x minus 6. This is going to be x cubed minus x square minus 6x. So this is going to be integrate from minus 2 to 0, x cubed minus x square 6x dx. So this is going to be x4 over 4, x cubed over 3 plus minus 6x square over 2 from minus 2 to 0. So the left side is 0, right side is going to be minus 2 to the power 4 over 4 minus 2 to the power cube over 3 and minus 6 minus 2 square over 2. So this is going to be 0 minus 4 minus 8 over 3 minus 12. So that is 5, 16 over 3. So now this total area means R1 plus R2. Now we need to find R2. So R2 means 0 to 3 minus y dx. It means 3 to 0 y dx. So 3 to 0 y means x cubed minus x square minus 6x dx. So x4 over 4, x cubed over 3, 6x square over 2, 3 to 0. So this is going to be, this all zeros, minus 3, 4 over 4, 3 cube over 3 minus 6, 3 square over 2. 0 minus, this is 81 over 4, 27 over 3, and this is 18. This is 27. 27 divided by 3, that is going to be 9. And this is negative 81 over 4 plus 9 plus 27. So this is going to be 15, 3 over 4. So then R1 equal 5 plus 5 1 over 3 plus 15 3 over 4. So you will get the answer 21 1 over 12. I will rework here. R equal R1 plus R2. R1 we found out 5 1/3 and R2 we found out 15 over 3 4. Your answer should be 21 1 over 12. Here 0 to 3 minus. I get rid of minus by changing the limits. By swapping the limits.